That second big bucket I was talking about are the cross-cutting concepts. These are ideas so fundamental to science that they're found in all disciplines. These are the things that are going to be taught in every class every year, so hopefully they build upon each other. By the time a student is a senior, they've gotten all these standards a few times and they're fairly advanced in them. These are broken down into some subcategories: systems and system models, be those mathematical, physical, or computer, dealing with patterns, dealing with scale, proportion, and quantity, things like algebraic thinking. The scale, proportion, and quantity at which it occurs is, kind of important. If it happened once, maybe not that big a deal. The idea of energy and matter, because that shows up in all life sciences, all physical sciences, all earth sciences. This idea of stability and change. If you have a system that is stable, it ain't going to do anything. If it's unstable, change will occur. Cause and effect, structure, function. And then here we get to some of the stranger ones. Influence of science, engineering, and technology on society and the natural world. These are the ones that are going to kind of push us to do things more like authentic learning, problem-based learning, project-based learning. Interdependence of science, engineering, and technology is a personal favorite of mine, talking about the R&D cycle. Science is a human endeavor. Science addresses questions about the nature and material world. And the single most important, in my opinion, scientific knowledge assumes an order and consistency in natural systems. This is a big deal for me because I have a bachelor's degree in science, and in all of my years taking science classes, from kindergarten to earning my bachelor's, I have only had one class that spoke about these concepts, and I think they're kind of a big deal. So I would strongly recommend you work them in a few times a year. The idea that scientific knowledge is based on the assumption that natural laws today work the way they did. If you cover that idea, then most of the dissenters and people who have issues with scientific theories are instantly nullified. And this idea that the universe is one system and has basic laws that are consistent everywhere. That's also a fun one, especially when you get to high levels of physics and you start talking about how Newtonian physics doesn't actually work the way we think it should on a large scale. So I would at least recommend using that top one whenever you can.